see what the judges thought about that. Wow, he got a 15-10. What is that? Oh my God. 25. She just gave her 25. Can we allow that? We'll just have to see what our next contestant does. And if she missed some new number that we haven't seen again, then we just have to let it go. And for now it's a 45. We'll see what we go with on this next run. Let's give it up for Miss Liz.
Thank you, Jay.
You can't touch this. And we're going to give Miss Liz the championship! I barely can count that high, but that dance definitely qualified, so. Let's make some noise for all of our contestants in both contests. They've all done a wonderful job. And now it's time for everybody to just take your favorite movie you just saw and use it over and over again.